Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of the Stop Hunter. Now, you might want to get into cryptocurrencies. You can't avoid them these days. They're everywhere in the news, social media, but you really just don't know where to start. Well, the first place you need to go is an exchange, and this is where you trade and invest in those cryptocurrencies. And some of these exchanges can be quite intimidating, complex and frustrating, and you might even feel a bit worried about your money being at risk. So I found one that I actually learned from, and I'm going to go through that platform in this video. We're going to go step by step through it, find out its strengths and weaknesses, how you can learn from it, and even in this video I'm going to show you how you can get some free cryptocurrency to start you on the road to trading and investing success in this space. So let's now get on and look at the platform. Now, what is the crypto exchange I'm talking about? Well, they're called Coinbase. They are a US company. They recently went public on the US stock exchange. They've been around for a while, and it's where I learnt to do all my cryptocurrency trading and investing from, and where I understood and learnt about the different cryptos and markets available to me. So that's why I recommend it, because I started it, I've used it, and I wouldn't recommend anything that I hadn't used before. Now, before we go on, an extra bonus for you. Now, if after watching this video you want to open a Coinbase account, please follow the link in the description below this video. It's not a trick, it's not a scam, it's because Coinbase are offering $10 each to both you and me in Bitcoin if you then subsequently trade $100 worth of crypto on their platform. If you don't follow the link, it doesn't matter, you'll just open your account, but we will both miss out on that $10. So that's an extra bonus for both of us. So you've gone through the video, you've got interested, you want to open the Coinbase account. You can do it very simply on your mobile phone or on PC. It's a usual standard application process, and once you've done that, you'll then find yourself on the Coinbase homepage, and from there we're going to have a look through the platform so you can understand how it works, how you can trade it, and where you can get the education and learning experience you might need as a new crypto trader. Now, here we are on the homepage of Coinbase, and what can we see there? At the top will be your portfolio and how that's progressing through time. Top right, you've got a simple buy sell button, send and receive crypto and money at the top, and then you can create your own watch list of coins to watch, and then down the left, that's really where the hub of the action takes place. We're in the home page that says portfolio. That's the coins that you've got trading and investing in. Trade brings you to the actual markets that we can trade. Pay is about moving money and cryptos around. For you is offers, information from Coinbase. Learn and earn, that's a great area, and I'm going to take you through that in a bit more detail later in this video, because it's an extra bonus where you can earn free crypto from. And then notifications, things like price alerts, serious event happenings going on that Coinbase are firing into, and you can set up those notifications. So that's the general basics of the platform. There's not much to it, and that's its beauty. So let's dig in a bit more detail on how it works. So let's start with the trading element of the platform. Now, you'll come onto the tab trade, and you'll see up the top there the time frame 24 hours, 1 hour, 1 week. So it's going to give you the change in the markets, but this is the important bit here, the tradable assets. Now, not everything that is posted on Coinbase is tradable. So if we clicked on all assets, it will load us up a different selection of cryptocurrencies, and you'll see where it says, like, the Binance coin, for example, is not tradable on this platform. So we want to filter that back to tradable assets so that we know what we can trade. And you can see there's a lot on the platform to get us going. You know, it keeps on going and going and going, so don't feel you're missing out on anything. There is a lot to trade there. So for example, we want to buy Bitcoin, and if you had any trading or investing experience before, it works pretty much the same as that. Maybe it's not as fluid as a traditional like stockbroker or FX broker, CFD broker that you might be used to, but really it's this is the easy end of cryptocurrency trading. If you want something more advanced, then I also use Binance. That is a platform that is more for the experienced and knowledgeable, certainly around the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, but also how trading works. So this is why I think Coinbase is a good starting place for just simple buying and selling of your position. So let's take an example. We want to buy Bitcoin. We just click the buy button, and we can do a one-time purchase of a certain amount or a custom amount. We type that in. We're going to buy the Bitcoin. You've set up your bank account. Now mine's in pounds rather than dollars or any other currency that might be available to you. And then simply we just click on the amount we want. It brings up how many Bitcoin you're going to get. Not a lot there. So it's also another great part of the Coinbase platform. It's like a fractional trading system. You don't have to buy the full amount of one lot of Bitcoin. You can buy parts of it, and that's making it a lot more accessible. And that confused me to start with. I thought you had to buy one lot, but no, you can buy fractions of these coins, so you can build up a portfolio quite nicely. And inside the ticket you can see the price. Remember, that's in pounds, not dollars, so it will be high in the 40,000s. And it's going to tell you how much that is less the fee. So I'm going to get £9 worth of crypto, and you just simply hit the buy, and that's it. And when you want to close out the trade, hit the sell button, and you're doing the opposite, closing out. It's as simple as that. And you can go down through any of these other products, and if you star them here, they'll add them to that front page watch list that I showed you earlier. And really there's nothing much more to it than that to get you started. It really is simple and straightforwards. So that's a basic overview of the trade page. So let's go to the portfolio page where you start to build up your asset selection. Now I'm not going to show you the actual balances, but I'll show you what I have been buying inside the platform. And like most of the pages, it's all very simply laid out. We've got our overall portfolio at the top, and then my assets laid out. Now I've got Ethereum, and it tells you what percentage of your portfolio is made up of these assets. Then I've got nearly 24% of Cardano, just over 20% Bitcoin. Then I've got a few other minor cryptocurrencies that I've been collecting over time. So that's how you can keep a track on what's going on. Now another great thing about the platform is the learning side of it. Now if you clicked on, say, Ethereum here, it gives you the amount you've spent, the position. But if you go to the overview tab, which is where I'm looking, it's got the price currently. It tells you what percentage of people are buying and selling. It gives you an idea of how big that cryptocurrency is and the circulation, how popular it is, and how long people hold it for. But most importantly, want to learn the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, then we have their official website of Ethereum here and the white paper. Now the white paper is basically their business plan. It specs out what Ethereum is all about and where it's going and what it thinks it's doing. Read through that and it will give you a great heads up on that cryptocurrency. And further down we've got the top stories around the asset that you're looking at, and very interestingly as well on the right here, correlation is very important because the crypto world is very correlated. So basically if you keep buying correlated stuff, you're basically sort of doubling up the same move. So when it does go against you, the price, the whole portfolio will. So Coinbase let you know which coins aren't correlated or are correlated to, in this example, Ethereum. So we could maybe invest in Clover Finance because it has no relationship, so the prices aren't correlated or related to in any way, shape or form. So there is a lot of information there, and that page is accessible from your portfolio tab, the trade tab, and it's very useful information. We've also got some other interesting points there. We've got our wallet, which is where at the moment my cryptos are stored here, but you can also go to a vault, and that's a long term, like it says there, place to put your coins, and it's offline storage, and that's to get around the hacking side of the crypto world. That does happen. Another reason why I like the Coinbase platform is I'm hoping that the security is a lot stronger than some of the other platforms, but I'm going to do another video on how you can move your coins, call it offline, into your own wallet storage area, but that's not for now. But just to let you know, that process is available within the Coinbase platform. So we've seen the portfolio, we've seen the trade. The pay button is really just about moving money, so we don't really need to look too much in there. The For You tab, there's what I was talking about the sign up, the $10 of free Bitcoin. They're going to throw you some interesting offers. Now there's another interesting concept that can make you money, and that's called staking, and that's a bit like having a higher interest rate bank account or bond or something like that. It works along the same way as where as you loan out your cryptocurrencies, you get paid a percentage rate of return. Now I've got to say, on Coinbase it's not as great as some of the other exchanges, so it looks quite tempting, but I wouldn't, as a trader investor, or I suppose more investing, if you're going to tuck your coins away and loan them out, bother actually with the Coinbase staking world. Have a look through the different percentages. Some might be attractive, but some can be bettered elsewhere. So also inside the For You bit, it will send you exciting news breaking stories and information, and anything where you can earn some extra crypto or learn, like for example here we've got 7 biggest Bitcoin myths, what is a seed phrase, who is Satoshi Nakamoto. So there's some really good, interesting learning material in there in the For You section. Now we go to the notifications tab, and as you can see, I've got it set up for price alerts, price movements, what's going on in the market, and they can go straight to your phone, and you can set them up in your profile. Now finally, this is the extra added bonus of the whole section, is that a lot of these crypto exchanges like to give away free crypto, and there's nothing scammy to that at all on here, because you're basically being paid cryptocurrency to learn, and we're not talking big bucks here. We're talking $3, $10, $15, but it could add up to $30, $50, and especially for a new trader in this space, it then gives you exposure with real money real crypto into different assets so you can follow them and learn them and get to feel them, and got skin in the game, and I think that makes learning a lot better. Now I'll scroll down for some. I've taken some of these, and all you have to do is take these online video learning examples. You just click on them. They take, like it says there, 1 minute, and you can earn $1. And for example, so on Graph you can earn $4 total, AMP $3. There's our invite a friend offer again. See, I've earned 3 on Clover, I earned 10 on Stellar Lumens, $9 on Compound. So you'll find in the Learn and Earn section a way to add assets that you would never think about maybe investing into your portfolio, and in the meantime you get to learn all about them and learn how the market works. So really that's all I want to cover off on Coinbase for this video. It does get a bit more complex than that, but really as a starter, a learner, a beginner in the crypto world, that's all you need to know for now. Now, like I said, the link to open a Coinbase account is in the description below, and if you've got any other questions, put them in the comments and I'll try and help you out. Now, for the record, I'm not an affiliate of Coinbase. I just like it. It's where I've learnt my stuff from. I use it. I'm comfortable with it. I think from my other experience in using other types of trading platform, it's a great place to start for the beginning trader investor in the crypto space. It's an international platform. It works across different formats, PCs, tablets, phones. It's easy to sign up. It's got good customer service, and it gives you access to enough different types of cryptocurrency to keep you interested. And as you learn and get the experience, feel free to move on to other platforms. But as a beginner or someone new to cryptocurrencies, then Coinbase is a great place to start. Now, like I said earlier, if you want to sign up to the Coinbase platform, I'll put a link in the description below. But in this video I've given you a walkthrough of the basics of the platform. I've shown you some various ways to make some extra free money, either through signing up in the link or going on to their learning section and taking the short videos to get small amounts of dollars in different crypto assets, and briefly touched on staking if that's the route you want to go down and investigate. But all in all, we've covered off quite a bit in that short period of time on the Coinbase platform. Let me know in the comments below your experiences of Coinbase, if you've already signed up, or if you've got any questions or thoughts. Again, put them in the comments below. And if you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive further notification of any future content I'm going to produce. And all that's left for me to say now is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.